Hello, folks. Today I want to talk to you about how to repair a wall damaged by humidity. Because that's just like life, isn't it? Sometimes we're faced with problems that seem impossible to solve, but with a little bit of calm and dedication, everything can be fixed. In this case, the first thing we have to do is remove the damaged lime paint. And that's easy as pie. Once the wall is clean, we can start applying the 5x1 sand and lime mortar. And that's wonderful, because this mortar has the quality of rebuilding the parts damaged by humidity. It's like winding the clock, you know? At first it may seem difficult, but once you get the hang of it, it comes as easy as falling off a log. And the best part is that when you're finished, the wall is smoother than a mirror's surface. So if you have a wall damaged by humidity, don't worry. With a little bit of mortar and dedication, it'll look prettier than a summer Sunday. And if you don't believe me, ask the neighbor on the second floor who already did it and was as happy as a clam. Have you noticed how capillary humidity can make wall paint lift like a cake? And that's not at all pleasant. But as we say around here, there's no evil that lasts 100 years, nor a body that can endure it. Capillary humidity is a problem that originates in the foundation of constructions, and can cause many headaches. But if we get down to work, we can solve it with a little bit of 5x1 sand and lime mortar, as if it were child's play. What happens is that capillary humidity makes water rise through the pores of the wall, and when it evaporates, the salt it contains remains on the surface and causes the paint to lift. And that's not at all aesthetic, but with the 5x1 sand and lime mortar, we can solve the problem at its root. And as we say around here, better safe than sorry, because if we don't treat capillary humidity, it can cause even greater damage to the construction structure. So there you have it. If capillary humidity is affecting the walls of your home or business, don't worry. With a little bit of mortar and dedication, we can leave those walls prettier than a bouquet of flowers. If your house is older or has only one floor, you probably have capillary humidity at the base of the walls. Ring a bell? Those paint chips and mold are a headache. That's why we're here to tell you how to solve serious wall moisture problems. The first thing you need to know is that capillary humidity rises like a wick through the interior of the walls from the ground level. So to solve this problem, you need to create a barrier against capillary action. How to do it? With the foundation cut technique. Before getting down to work, it's important that you identify the source of the moisture. It could be due to leakage, rain, or condensation. If it's due to leakage, you need to fix the drainage or water supply pipe before applying the foundation cut technique. If it's due to rain, a good waterproofing on the facades and roofs usually solves the problem. And if it's due to condensation, you need to create a thermal insulation. In summary, to solve serious wall moisture problems, you need to create a barrier against capillary action with the foundation cut technique. Don't forget to identify the source of the moisture before getting down to work.